Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This punching bag from Boxer's Point is on point. This punching bag by Boxer Point is definitely high quality. I'm a personal trainer, so my clients use it to warm up, and they also use it for hand-eye coordination, and it's just a really nice light warm-up for them. I love it because you can take out a lot of anger and frustration, and you know the quality is not going to break. Super easy to fill up with water, and it comes with this cool air pump. This pump is super cool. I love it because it has a nice big handle for your hand. It has a nice part for your foot that gives you leverage for when you're pumping it. It has a nice long cord. This is important so you're not super close up on the punching bag, and it gives you a lot more space to pump it. Boxer Point really thought about everything when it comes to this. I love using it with my kids. It helps them with their hand-eye coordination, and it's also super fun for them. It tires them out and they enjoy it. It's really fun because it's something that we all can do as a family. This punching bag is fairly tall. I'm about 5'1½", so you can see in comparison to me how tall it is. Also, taking this down is super simple. You just open it and pour the water out, and then you can just deflate it from there. I really do like the feature that you can add water to the bottom because it makes it really sturdy when you punch it. And even though it's light, it weighs it down. This is so much fun, and that's my point of view.